Okay, as far as the putting the red on and it gets kind of brownish like you were saying, a couple things. This is a two-tone, so I'm not going to put red on this one, but I can still show you. The color we use for the dark color isn't really black. A lot of people think it's black, but it's not. And you see, I don't know if this video accurately shows the color, but it's already got a slight red tint to it. Here in the middle, when it's totally covered, yeah, it looks black. But you can see the edges where the fade is, it's kind of got a slight red tint to it. If you use a dark color like black or a really, really dark brown that's sort of greenish instead of red, yeah, it's going to turn brown, because green and red, when you add them together, it goes brown. So you might want to maybe try adding some red color to your black or your dark color. Usually when you add red to black, not a lot, just a little bit, it'll still look black, but then it'll have this sort of this reddish, side tone cast to it. Then when you add the red, it won't turn brown. The other thing you can do is, I'm really close right here when I'm doing this burst. So the area here where the paint stops, there's not a lot of overspray. So when you add the red, it just lays on there real nice. If you make the burst like this, now I'm a lot farther away. And now you see there's a big wider area here where the overspray is kind of laying on the yellow compared to here. So when you put red over that, it's going to look brown and muddy. But if you make your burst a little more, not a hard line, but kind of a little more, what do you call that? Kind of sharp, right? You get real close and you just make your burst tight. So there's not a lot of fuzzy overspray. Then when you add the red color, it just sits on there real nice. Anyway, that's about as much as I can tell you.